Hi there, my name is Dr. Whitney Kosters, and if you've clicked on this video, chances are you're stuck writing a conclusion and wondering, how do I end my essay without just repeating myself? Well, you are definitely not alone. Most students struggle with conclusions because they think they should just restate everything that they've already said, which actually makes the paragraph redundant and weak. But at the same time, your conclusion can't introduce any new ideas. So how do you write one that actually works? Let me give you a simple trick here that will instantly improve your ability to write conclusions. Ask yourself, okay, I wrote all of this, so what? The answer to that question will be your conclusion. Let me give you an example. If your essay is about how social media impacts mental health, a weak conclusion might sound like this. In conclusion, social media affects mental health by increasing anxiety, lowering self-esteem, and reducing real-life interactions. Well, that sounds like a thesis that you've stated and developed already in the essay, so we already know that. You've just repeated your intro and body paragraphs in slightly different words, and that doesn't add any value to your essay. But when you ask yourself, so what? Or what's the bigger significance of my argument? Or why does this matter? Or what should the reader take away from this essay? Then you have a much more effective conclusion. So a better conclusion would be, as social media continues to evolve, so will its impact on mental health. Recognizing and discussing these effects in the public realm can help individuals set healthy boundaries and use these platforms in a way that promotes well-being rather than harm. See the difference? You're reinforcing the importance of your argument without adding new ideas or just summarizing. You're giving the reader something to think about after they finish reading. I hope this helped you, and if you want more detailed help with writing, research, and literature, be sure to subscribe and check out my page for tons of free resources and audiobooks. Be well.